Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to the Apple School of Knowledge. I'm your host Ihsan Ullah, and today we are gonna to be talking about the importance of branding. When it comes to creating a successful business, having a strong brand is essential. So a brand is not just a name or logo, but it's also about creating a consistent visual identity and having a clear mission statement and values. So this helps customer to recognize and connect with your company on a deeper level. One great example of strong brand is Apple. When you see that iconic Apple logo, you immediately associate it with a high quality product and innovative technology. Apple has built a reputation for reliability, customer services and cutting edge design. But creating a strong brand isn't just about having a recognizable name or logo. It's also important to have a distinct personality or tone of voice that sets you apart from the competition. And this can be achieved through your marketing materials, social media presence, and even the way you interact with customer. So there you have at the importance of branding and building a successful business. But remember, a strong brand is more than just a name or logo. It's about creating a consistent visual identity, having a clear mission statement and values, and building a reputation for quality and reliability. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time on the Apple School of Knowledge.